HTML, CSS, and JavaScript explained for beginner. If you are learning web development, you will come across terms like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They are often called the building blocks of web. These three tools dominated web development. Every library or tool seems to be centered around HTML, CSS, and JS. So, if you want to become a web developer, you need to learn them well. You will also discover that websites are mostly built from these three languages, but you are probably wonder what each one is and what is really used for, what make these language so special and important, and what makes them is a equatous what you can help but see them every tutorial and topic based on web development. What is internet? The internet is simply a network of computers that communicate with each other to send and receive data information. Each of these computers on the internet can be distinguished and located by unique number called IP address. An IP address looking something like this. What is web? The web is you the web is subset of internet like every other computer network, but there the web is made up of two main components to the web browser client and web server. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Dictionary.com define is markup is a set of detailed instruction usually written in a manuscript to be types concerning style of type, make of page and like. Some you can think of HTML is the language used of creating detailed instruction connection concerning style, type of front structure and the make of a web page before it gets printed shown to you. But but in the context of web development, we can replace the term printed with rendered is a more accurate term. HTML help you structure your page into elements such as paragraph, section, heading, navigation, bars, and so on. The illustrate what a page look like, create a basic HTML documents. This is this is how you are comfort and structure our documents with just HTML. Is you can see this markup of content some elements such as level 1 heading, level 2 heading, level 3 heading, H3, a graph P. In under list with bullet point U1 LI, a button input and whole body of page body. This is what markup above and render or a web browser. You can also add art attribute to these elements which can you use to identify the element and access them from other places in the site. In our example website, the ID attributes but all of three spam element. This will help access them from a JavaScript is you will see later. Think of this attributed the same way to your social media username with this name offers can find you as on social media is some can also offer you to your mention with you this name you can get tagged in post and so on. What is CSS? While HTML is a markup language used from front structure a web page, CSS is a design language that you use to make your web Page look nice and percentage. CSS stand for canceling style shield, and you use it to improve the appearance of a web page by adding through thoughtful CSS style. You make your page more attractive and pleasant for the end user of view and you use. Imagine if human beings were just made to have skeleton and bare bones. How would that look? Not nice if you me. So CSS is like our skin, hair, and generally physical appearance. What is JavaScript? Now, if HTML is the markup language and CSS is the design language, then JavaScript is the programming language. If you don't know what programming is, think of certain action you take in your daily life. When you when you sense danger, you run. When you are hungry, you eat. When you and tired, you sleep. When you are cold, you look for warmth. When you crossing a bus road, you calculate the distance of vehicle away from you.